In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Instagram post set using CapCut. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along whether you're on the web or using the app. Start by opening CapCut. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're on the main workspace. If the interface looks slightly different on your device, that's normal. CapCut updates layouts from time to time, but the options we need will be there. From the home screen, look for Create with AI. This is CapCut's shortcut into its AI-powered tools. Click it to open the AI workspace. You'll land on a page designed to help you generate visuals quickly without building everything from scratch. If you're new to this area, think of it as a collection of smart templates and generators that adapt to your needs. Inside the AI workspace, choose AI Design. This section focuses on layout-led creations and sizes that match specific platforms. It's ideal when you want something polished and on-brand without spending hours adjusting every element. Once you're in, you'll see categories for different content types. Next, select Instagram Post Set. This option is tailored to create a cohesive group of posts formatted for Instagram. It's perfect for a carousel, a campaign series, or a themed grid. Choosing this tells CapCut to generate a coordinated set, so your visuals feel consistent from one post to the next. When you're ready, click Send. That's the trigger that asks CapCut to build your post set. The AI may take a moment to process, so don't worry if you see a short loading period. While it works, keep your purpose in mind. Are you promoting a product, sharing tips, or announcing an event? Having a clear theme will help you judge the results effectively. Once the drafts appear, review them with a critical eye. Check that the colors fit your brand, the fonts are readable on mobile screens, and the imagery supports your message. Keep captions, calls to action, and any required disclaimers in mind as you evaluate. If you see text-heavy slides, consider simplifying the message so it's easy to grasp at a glance. High-contrast text over backgrounds improves readability, and consistent spacing makes the set feel intentional and professional. That's the entire flow. Open CapCut, go to Create with AI, choose AI Design, pick Instagram Post Set, and hit Send. With these steps, you can produce a clean, matching set of Instagram posts in minutes, ready to refine and share. Take your time reviewing the generated results, and you'll have an eye-catching, cohesive set that looks like it took hours to design.